And yes, this video is the last video for this month. I'm Pallavi and I'm super excited because it's time for festive season. Hello my friends and welcome to Hairstyle, helping you to solve your hair problems so that you can achieve all your hair goals. I'm Pallavi and I'm super excited because it's time for festive season. Navratri, Durga Puja, Diwali. Everything is around corner and I personally love Navratri and Durga Puja. So in this video, I'm gonna show you one very beautiful hairstyle which you can wear this festive season. So let's get started with today's video. First, I'm going to take a raffle comb and start with doing a middle parting. I like to do a middle parting. It looks beautiful with Indian outfits. So we'll take an inch of section in the front, divide it into two sections, cross the front over the back. And now we'll take some hair, add to the front section, cross the front section over the back section. And we'll just create a twist in the front. This is also great if you want to hide your bangs, because currently I have some bangs here. And I just want to hide them, so this is great. And yeah, I have done my bangs on my own. If you haven't watched that video, links are up in here. Now we'll continue. Okay, so as I will reach up to here near my ear, and we have two sections, right? I will use these two sections and create a twisted waterfall braid. If you don't know how to do a twisted waterfall braid, I already have a video. I will link that up in here. Go and follow that video. So now I have reached the middle part. So now, for the time being, I will clip those sections in here with the bobby pin. And then I will do the same on this side. Now I have reached the middle. Now I will remove this bobby pin and I will take both the sections together or tie them together with an hair elastic. So now I will divide my hair into a section, bring them in the front, and I'm gonna curl them. So I will use these to curl my hair. I already have a video when I tried these for the first time. I will link that video up in here. So it comes in a pack of 10. Here are all of them. And it's not that expensive. I got them from Amazon, so I will have the link in the description box. So in case if you want to get them, you can check the link in the description box. And I will take comparatively larger sections. Like for this, and maybe I will divide my hair into 3 or 4 sections. So I just want to curl the ends. I will start curling from here. So place it like this and curl your hair away from your face. And try to keep your hair flat on it. This will form more beautiful curls. Next section. I'm not gonna spray too much because I don't have much time. I will just keep my hair in it like for 15 to 20 minutes or even for half an hour. After doing your hair like this, keep it to dry, and while you are doing that, you can do your makeup and get ready and do your rest of the things. While you are getting ready and doing your makeup, your hair will be dried and nicely curled, and then just remove them and walk out of your home with some beautiful, nice hair. Okay, so now I'm back and this is exciting part. I love this part. So I don't know how it will come out because I have not kept this for so long. So the curls may be a little bit looser. So I just kept it for 15 minutes. So let's see what are the results. So if you have watched my other heatless curls videos, then you would probably know that this part is my favorite. So if you haven't, then I will link the whole playlist up in here. Go and watch it. Now let's look at this. Oh, okay. So it's still wet. My hair is wet. I think I should have kept it for a little bit longer, but that's fine. Since my hair is still wet and I have opened my hair too soon, crunch my hair like this to give my hair back some bounce. And while I'm doing this, the curls will also get a bit separated. Then I'm gonna shake my hair like this. I will not comb through my hair. Just shake it. I think it looks nice. It's nice. What do you say? And yes, this video is the last video for this month, and I'm mentioning this because usually I just do one video a week, but for this month I did 2 videos a week. If you haven't watched all those videos which I did on this month, then go and check them out. So last year I did a daily post for 9 days in Navratri, so you can go and check my Instagram page for some more inspiration for this festive season. And this time I'm thinking of doing something special here on YouTube. So if you have any suggestions and any video ideas, especially for this festive season, then do let me know in the comment section down below. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon right here. I will see you in my next video. Until then, don't forget to love your hair. Bye!